Okay, Lex, I'm ready. Let's go. Supermarket adventure.
Haha, slow down, buddy. It's just a supermarket, not a theme park. Do you have the list?
List? Yes, it's right here in my head.
Oh no. Okay, lucky for you, I have a real list on paper. First stop, the fruit and vegetable section.
Great. I love fruits. Ooh, look, apples. They look so shiny. I need apple.
You need an apple. Okay, they do look delicious. Let's grab one for you. We also need some oranges for juice.
Oranges. Good idea. How much apples should we get for the week?
How many apples? I think 4 should be enough. Can you pick 4 good ones?
1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Okay, what's next on the magic list?
Next is vegetables. We need some carrots, some potatoes, and a big onion.
An onion. Yes, for my special omelet. I will find the best onion in the whole store.
Okay, you do that. I'll get the carrots. Oh, buddy, can you check the price of these potatoes for me?
Sure, let me see. It says $2 per kilo. Is that good?
$2 a kilo. Yes, that's a good price. Let's get about 1 kilo then.
Okay, potatoes in the cart. Fruit and vegetables. Done. Now for the fun stuff. Pasta, rice.
That's right, aisle 5. Okay, the list says we need some spaghetti, and we also need rice. Let's see, how much rice? We eat it a lot, but this is a big bag. I think 1 bag is enough for now.
Oh, I like this rice. It looks nice. How many rice do we need? 1 big bag of rice. In the cart. Let's go. Let's go. I'm getting hungry.
Buddy, we just got here. Okay, next is the bakery, my favorite part. It smells so good.
Yes, look at all the cakes and the bread. Give me bread.
Whoa, easy there. Let's be polite. We can say, "Could I have some bread, please?"
Oh, right. Okay, could I have some bread, please?
Perfect. Now, which one? There's brown bread, white bread, bread with seeds.
That one, the big white one. It looks so soft.
Good choice. Okay, 1 loaf of fresh white bread. Now where to next? The dairy aisle. We need milk and cheese.
Milk for my coffee, yes, and cheese for my special omelet. This is great.
Everything is for your special omelet today.
It's a very special omelet. Okay, milk. How many milk do we need?
Let's think. How much milk do we drink in a week? I use some for my tea. You use a lot for your coffee. Let's get 2 cartons.
2 cartons it is. And cheese. Could I have some cheese, please? The yellow one.
Excellent work, buddy. Yes, we can get some cheddar cheese. Great for sandwiches, too.
The cart is getting full. Are we almost done? I want to go home and eat my apple.
Almost. Just one more thing. We need to get some chicken from the meat counter.
Okay. Excuse me, sir?
That's the way. Go on.
Could I have some chicken, please? 2 big pieces.
Perfect. Thank you. Wow, that looks fresh. Okay, buddy, I think that's everything on the list.
Yes. Wait, Lex, can we get a treat? Something not on the list?
Actually, I just remembered. We need some things for the house, cleaning supplies. It's not on my list, but it's in my head. A mental list. I don't know.
Please, look, a chocolate bar. It has nuts.
Okay, but just one. How much is it?
It is $1.50. A good price for happiness.
A good price for happiness. I like that. All right, put the chocolate bar in the cart. Now we are really finished. Let's go pay.
This was a successful trip. We got everything.
We did, and you did a great job with the shopping, buddy. You were very helpful.
I wasn't I? Shopping is fun when you know the right words.
Exactly. A little practice makes everything easier and more fun.
I can't wait to make my omelet now.
And I can't wait to try it. I hope you enjoyed our little shopping trip today, everyone.
Subscribe to learn English in a fun and stress-free way.
Subscribe to learn English in a fun and stress-free way.